Yo, hello guys, sorry for the emptiness at the beginning, but I finished Man vs. Machine actually. I beat 2 cities. And this was not part of the rewards for it, but I bought a Killstreak kit for it. I bought a Scattergun Killstreak kit, and if anybody wants it, I'll give them a unarmed combat Killstreak kit and a bat Killstreak kit fabricator. Just give me some refined metal, please. I absolutely need it. So basically, I got, please don't ask the name of my scattergun. I got a Mandarin professional Killstreak. So I'm going for 900. I'll be streaming this on Twitch, getting 900 plus. And I was streaming like I think earlier today or yesterday, and yeah, I got Mandarin Sheen with Killstreaks active. Highest Killstreak I've ever gotten this far. Ow! Highest Killstreak I've ever gotten this 5, really. Absolute balls at this game. I am just straight balls at this game, I guess. Can you just die? Yay! Okay. Now I just need to absolutely lock in. It's gotta full lock in. It's gotta completely lock in right now. This is the greatest lock in into 2029.
Ow! Greatest lock-in of all time! Let's die!
Can you just die already? Ow!
Ow! Killing spree! Killing spree! Oh, come on!
But still, yeah. Biggest Killstreak I've ever gotten is 5. But yeah, it's really fun. MVM's really fun. I recommend you buy some MVM. It's really cheap. I was able to get it because someone bought my CS agent. Please join the Discord right now! Please, I'm begging you, join the Discord.